Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 20 of marching through my minis. I am making good progress going through all of my stash of minis that I've had for a few years. So we are on day 20. I'm just going to move the little sticky note out of the way, set my $8 here for a second. I'm going to grab my prop coins, which total the exact amount of cash that I'm bringing in. So this is $8 worth of prop coins. Do a little shake. I don't know why I say shake. I mean shuffle. And then we're going to put our $8 in here. And then now we're going to go to number 4. We're having deja vu. This is exactly what we did yesterday. Get our dice tower ready. All right, so I am going to roll a D3 die, and whatever number it is will be how many prop coins I put down. So 4 is getting 2. So I hope you guys are doing well. I am, oops, no, that's 1. Okay. It looked like 2 for a second. I am trying to stay cool in the heat wave that we're having here in Vegas. Let's see, 8 is getting 3, nice. And then we go to 1. 1's getting 3. 2's getting 2. Oh, 3's getting 1. It went backwards. That's okay. 4 is getting 2. 5's getting 1. 6 is getting 1. 7's getting 2. 8's getting 3. We still have money, so we're going to go back to number 1. 1 got 3 again, and that leaves 1 left, so we'll go to 2. And then we will start on number 3 tomorrow. Poor number 3, we couldn't get around to it twice. I'm glad we're starting there tomorrow. All right, so let's get our little space organized. Okay, number 1, we have 50. So that's $1. Oh, okay, we got $2 going into number 1. That couldn't happen on the third one. That was what we needed for number 3. All right, we just needed 50 cents. So we have finished this one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Let's do the last 2 flowers. And this one saved $3. It's a happy day. We have $1.50 that we can put into the next one. So let's just try grab, I don't know where I grab. I think I'm at the front again. Okay, this is from, I believe, Windmill Ridge Budgets. It's another birthday one. Happy birthday. So let's do $1.50. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Yep, I'll be right back. All right. I love coloring it in. That's why I do it, but I speed you up so you don't have to wait on me too long. All right, number 2 got 75 cents. And number 2 just needed 50. Yay, we finished another one. This is another $2 one, so we can do 1 and 2 for 50 cents. And then we have 25 we can put in a new one. Let's see. Ooh, there's a little tiny one. What's this? Oh, this is from the Millennial Saver. This was in some Happy Mail that I just got. So this isn't part of my stash, but I didn't want it to be part of my stash. So let's see. So that'll save $1 and this will save 1, 2. Okay, so this will save $3. We can mark off 25 cents. I wasn't going to color the star, but I was like, oh, I only have 1. So that's going to go back in there. That'll save us $3 altogether. And then number 3 got 25 cents. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the big one. Yeah, this is the one from Becca that's worth $10. Let's do a green on this one. Look at that. We have a long ways to go on that one. All right. Number 4 got $1. And we just needed 75 cents. This one's from Jamie R. and Budgets. Finished another one. Yay, for $4. All right, so we have 25 cents. So let's get another extra. This is from Amy by Nature, another little cute puppy dog one. Dear Santa, I've been good. So we can mark off one present. And put that in here. All right, number 5 got 75 cents. And this is the taco. It's Tuesday from Hey K Budgets. So we have 25, 50, and 75. This will save us $5. Okay, number 6 got 75 cents. Also from Hey K Budgets. Okay, let's get my yellow out. All right, 50 more cents and this one will be done. Kind of glad I have some smaller $2 ones in here with that $10 one. All right, number 7 is going to get 75 cents today. And this one is from Candy over at Stuff and Budget. I know this is also a duplicate, but we're using what we have, so we can finish off the top row. This will save us $6. All right, number 8. Wow, we got a bunch. So that's $1. Whoa, $1.75 for number 8. And this one's from Becca Budget 777. All right, $1.75 going into Becca's. With the cutest little dog. We actually finished some today, which is pretty cool. So let's grab our prop coins. Do a little bit of a shuffle. Day 20. So let's see. Oh my gosh, we finished 3. So we have 4, 3, and 2. So this is 5 and 4 is $9. Okay, so we can do 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Put this money back in our bank. I might have to come in here and just do a tiny bit of condensing. Get some of these ones back. Okay. And then 3 more for this completed challenges. Can't wait to count that at the end of the month. So excited to see how many we are finishing. So yeah, day 20, doing pretty good. Getting so that's super chunky. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.